Hello everybody, it's Brian from Brian's Kitchen again, and I felt so inspired tonight. I've been watching all these YouTube videos on this Dalgona Coffee. It's a Korean thing, I guess, and I just felt like I have to try it for myself. So that's what we're making, Dalgona Coffee. Alright, so the recipe's real simple. 3 ingredients, and you whip like crazy until your wrist falls off, because what you got to do is create these wonderful meringue kind of texture to the dish. So, it's very, very easy. You take a tablespoon, and then you take it's got to be instant coffee. Must be instant coffee. Then you're going to take some sugar, and then you're going to take a little bit of hot water. Now, the measurements are very simple. It's 2 tablespoons of each thing. So, 1 tablespoon of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water. There we are. And that is how you do it. And now you mix. So apparently you got to do this for a long enough time so that air gets into this and creates these nice little peaks. They say it's about 400 swirls, but I think it's going to be more than that, and I think that my arm is going to look like Popeye's soon enough. You can do this with a stand-up mixer, but I feel like I got to earn it first. I got to do it this way, the hard way. You know people like that in your life? They just need to do everything the hard way? I know people like that. I'm one of those people. Starting to change color here, as you can see. Gotta change arms. Oh, that feels weird. Oh my gosh. Why did I choose to do this right now at the end of the day? See, it's starting to thicken up a little bit. That ain't good enough yet. We gotta keep this puppy going. I'm gonna do this in record time. You watch. Starting to get there. It's thickening. I'm gonna try it. Ooh, delicious. And let me go here. Oh, she's getting there. She's getting there, boys, girls, whoever's watching. This is the kind of stuff you do on lockdown. Lockdown Dalgona Coffee. Gotta take a break. Still not happy with it. Needs to go. More. Probably only gonna make this once. Next time I'm using the mixer. I earned this one. You can see. 1 more minute. 1 minute. I don't think that was a minute.
No.
See, look at that. I got nice and... Oh, yeah. That's looking good. Gotta keep taking a break. Is that your phone? Want it to be extra fluffy, you know? Gotta have that fluff. You know what? I'm pretty comfortable with that. Would you say that's pretty good? I'd say that's pretty good. Time to finish it off. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our glass Throw in a few ice cubes. Almond milk. You don't have to use regular milk if you don't want. You can use the almond milk if you like. You're going to fill it up to the 3/4 whey point. There's good. And then we're going to add this glorious topping. See how it floats? So there it is. Dalgona Coffee, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Do I look Korean to you? I didn't think so. Because you're supposed to mix it around a little bit. You can't just drink it like that. So now, man, it's almost like a peanut butter consistency, but lighter. All right, let's give it a shot. Yeah. Wow, that is interesting. Mine may have ended up a little too much like peanut butter. It's a little thick. Still delicious. Do I have any on my face? Dalgona Coffee. If you like what you saw here today, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, hit the like button. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything on my next video. Thanks for coming to Brian's Kitchen. You guys have a great night.